Visiovoy High-Tech Dongguan Company Limited under Visiovoy Group is an innovative electronics company and a professional high-tech enterprise that integrates research and development, production, marketing and service for smart wearable devices, such as smart glasses, AI camera glasses, smart watches, smart rings, smart assistant accessories, etc. Located in Dongguan. Our own factory passed ISO 9001 quality management system with high standard anti-static dust-free workshop. Our team of over 100 professionals is dedicated to providing innovative solutions with strict quality control and customer-centric service. With a core engineering team of more than 20 years of experience, we create innovative products with feature of IP68 waterproofing, AI conversation and translation, health monitoring, NFC access control, etc. The products are certified by CE, FCC, and RoHS, ensuring safety and reliability. With competitive pricing and efficient delivery, our devices are sold across China and exported to Europe, North America, Asia-Pacific regions. We welcome OEM, ODM cooperation. Contact us to explore how our cutting-edge technology can empower your brand. Visiovoy upholds the spirit of craftsmanship. The company has increased its investment in R&D, launching 3-5 new products every month to help customers better expand their markets. We combine functionality with aesthetic appeal to deliver premium experiences. Staying true to our original aspiration, we continue to improve and innovate alongside the times. Choose Visiovoy, experience quality and excellence.